Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export transparent video in After Effects. So first things first, I'm going to show you what we're working on today. So here's my green screen subscribe button in YouTube. So say for example, I'm going to try playing this for you guys first. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to open this one with VLC. Okay, this one. So as you can see here, we have a green screen, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to delete this green screen and we're going to export only these transparent subscribe button. So yeah, that's basically it. We're just going to close this one. We're going to open our After Effects. Now I already have here, and basically what I did is I just added a key light and then I just removed the green key or screen color. So this is how it looks right now. So you can see that it's black here, and it's not actually black, it's transparent, but black is what we are seeing here because there's no other thing in the background. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go to file, we're going to export, add to render queue, and once that's done, we're going to go right here. We have this one. Alright, so I've chosen the best quality, full resolution, and then after that, I'm just going to close this one, and then we're going to go here in lossless. So in the lossless, the format that I've chosen is AVI, and then from here, video output, we're just going to click this one, and then we're going to click RGB plus alpha. Alright, that's done, and then we're just going to render and wait. Okay, now that we're done, we're just going to go here in the folders. All right, there you go. So we're just going to open it again with the VLC player. Again, what you're seeing here is black, but it's actually transparent. And yes, congratulations, that's how you're going to export transparent video in After Effects.